How to redeem Gamestop gift card online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and in the search bar, search for gamestop.com. It will land you on the official page of GameStop. Now what you want to do is click on Shop Now. First of all, you will have to enter your login credential. Enter the email address and the password and then click on sign in to your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to the product that you want to purchase. Let's say you want to buy this game. Click on it. Scroll all the way down and then click on Add to Cart. Click on View Cart and check out. Now you have to enter your shipping address and after that scroll down and you'll see the option which says Add Gift Card or Trade-in Credit. Click on it. Now you will have to enter your gift card code number. Also enter the PIN of the gift card. Once you have entered, click on Apply and then your code will be applied successfully. Now with the help of this gift card, you will be able to get certain amount of discount in the product that you're gonna purchase. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem GameStop gift card online. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.